Okay, so
PC Cummins, I'm based at Highcombe Police Station.
Yeah.
Numbers 2353. Okay.
Yeah.
Under Section 163 of the Road Traffic Act 1988,
Yeah.
I require you to show me a driver's license, certificate of insurance, please.
no, you don't need to see that.
I do, because I need to prove that you have a driver's license and
Under what law? What's the reason you're stopping me?
Under Section 163 of the Road Traffic
Yeah.
Act 1988.
Yeah. You have no jurisdiction.
I do.
You do not have any jurisdiction. I haven't broken any law,
Yeah,
so you do not have any right to stop me, okay?
And certificate of insurance.
No, you do not need that.
164,
Yeah.
165, the Road Traffic Act
Yeah.
1988, please.
Yeah, that's a statute and an act
Yeah.
and legislation. I do not stand under your authority.
Well, you do.
No, I do not. I'm practicing common law,
Okay.
okay, and I run and work under common law jurisdiction.
It's funny to see that the sovereign citizen movement has jumped from the United States all the way to the UK. Now, if I'm not mistaken, the sovereign citizen movement was started in the United States. But as you can clearly hear, this man right here is in the UK, and he is using the exact same script that the sovereign citizens use in the United States. It's just ridiculous because the script doesn't work in the United States, and it's probably not going to work in the UK either.
Okay?
What does that mean?
You need to find that out.
No,
Okay? I stand under constitutional law. Okay? And I do not. Okay?
Certificate of insurance, the driver's
No,
license.
under what law?
Under Section 163.
Law. Under what law? That's not a law, that's an act. Under what law? Under what law?
Then you required to show me a certificate of insurance.
No, I'm
and
not.
Driver's license.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Under what law? I'm going to keep asking you, under what law?
It's irrelevant, I told you.
It's not irrelevant.
It is.
Excuse me, you're a public servant. You work for me.
Do I now?
You do.
Okay.
You work for me,
Okay.
and you're a public servant. You have no jurisdiction or authority over
I
me.
do, as power constable.
No, you don't.
Section 163.
Okay, I'm putting you on notice, officer. Are you constable?
Yes.
Okay, are you standing under your oath today?
Yes.
Okay, so therefore your job is to protect and serve me.
That's not how it works. That's not how any of this works.
Okay, correct? Are you standing under your oath?
Yes, but also...
No, wait. So...
Section 163 of the Road Traffic Act.
No.
Certificate of insurance and
No.
driver's license.
No, if you're standing under your oath, then you're to protect and serve. Have I committed a crime? Excuse me. Have I committed a crime?
I'm pretty sure the crime you have committed is refusing to identify yourself. You're refusing to give this officer your driver's license. I just don't understand whether in the UK or in the United States, why these people think that being confrontational with police officers is going to go their way. It literally makes no sense.
No, exactly. So therefore, so in what capacity, excuse me, under what capacity are you stopping me?
I've told you.
Criminal or civil? Excuse me, criminal or civil?
Criminal. Section
Criminal.
163 of the Road
You're
Traffic
stopping
Act.
me under a criminal offence?
Well, I don't know whether...
Oh,
you have
so it's an allegation, is it? Okay, it's an allegation, is it?
Well, I want you to prove to me...
No, you need to prove to me, because you're a business and a corporation. I do not stand under your authority. Okay? So I'm leaving, okay?
No, sir, stop the vehicle now.
No, can you move out of my way? Can you move out of my way? You're stopping me and in the line of duty. You're stopping me and in the line of duty. No, get on. You need to remove.
£200 fine.
You need to move out of my way because you're not detaining me under any law.
This dude is completely delusional. He really thinks that he's just about to drive off after not complying with anything the officers have requested from him. I can't believe this.
Under what law? Under what law?
Do you have your driver's license, please, sir?
I've just asked you, under what law do I need to provide that?
Committed a moving road traffic offence. Now, using your mobile phone.
No, I haven't. You're harassing me. You're harassing me. Okay. And if you continue, I will seek a private prosecution against yourself.
That's completely fine, sir.
And what's your colleague's number as well?
Make a complaint if you ring 101 or do it online.
Okay, you've been harassing. Okay, you were harassing me in town as well earlier.
How was I doing that, sir?
Because you were hanging around and like speaking to people who I was speaking to, and speak to people who I was speaking to. So as I said to you before, are you standing under your oath?
Am I not allowed to talk to members of the public?
Okay, are you standing under your oath?
So you're going to provide me with your details?
No, I do not. I'm not required to do so. You need to get one of your inspectors.
Yeah, so don't move your vehicle, okay?
Under what law?
I'm stopping the vehicle under section 163 of the Road Traffic Act 1988.
Under what law?
Under section 163.
No, law. I said under what law? That's an act.
Yeah, well, I can stop any vehicle I want under.
No, you can't. No, you can't.
If you look on your phone,
It doesn't matter. That's an act. That's statute. Excuse me. Excuse me. That's statute law. I don't stand under your authority.
So you're going to provide me with the driver's license.
I'm under no obligation to do
You're
so.
under arrest for using your mobile phone whilst driving. Okay, you don't have to say anything.
No.
Behind the fence. Do not mention when
No.
you're pushing something which they try and incorporate.
Under what law? Under what law do I need to provide you my details?
This dude is clearly a knucklehead. He keeps asking the same question. Sir, the officer already answered that about 5 times. Something about a 1988 act or something. That is the law. Okay? You're not going to get a different answer.
The arrest is necessary to obtain your name and address, as you failed to provide me with that and refused to. Okay?
I'm not obliged to do so.
We'll have to do a forced entry to the vehicle.
Okay, if you do so, you'll be
Open the vehicle, sir.
okay. If you do so, you'll be committing a criminal offence
Well, you're under arrest
because I do not give you permission
Okay, so I
to
require
do
you
so.
Open the door, okay?
Sorry?
I require you to open the door because you're under arrest. Okay?
Under what law?
I've told you you're under arrest.
Under what law?
Open the door, please.
And what law have I broken? You need to get an inspector down here because you're not qualified in law to be able to tell me what law I've broken. I haven't. No, that's statute, unfortunately. That's not law. No, no, that's I don't need to do so. That statute is statute law. Okay, statute law. Okay.
You're under arrest, sir, so we can discuss it later.
Under what law?
Under the Road Traffic Act, you've committed an offence, we can't identify who you are. So, at the moment, you've got 2 options. You either open the door...
I'm parked up, so how am I using the mobile phone when driving?
Okay,
I'm recording for my safety. I'm recording for my safety. Are you all standing under your oath today?
I'm going to put in this window.
Are you standing under your oath today?
Yes.
Okay, so you're here to serve and protect. I feel totally intimidated. There's 3, 4, 5, 6 police officers surrounding my vehicle. If you touch my vehicle, you will be also under arrest for criminal damage to a vehicle. I haven't broken any law. What law have I broken?
Sir, and who is going to arrest these officers for criminal damage to a vehicle? You're just saying things.
You still haven't told me what law I've broken, officer, constable.
Use a mobile phone whilst driving, okay?
Okay. When did I agree to your terms of business?
You don't need to, sir.
Yes, I do. You're a business and a limited company, okay? And I do not stand under your authority. No contract, no consent.
That's fine.
No contract, no consent. Do you understand?
Yes, I completely understand.
Okay, so no contract, no consent. I do not stand under your authority. Okay, number one. And number two, I'm a common law citizen.
He's failed to produce any driving licence, any documents to us, and also he started driving towards me using his mobile phone, albeit he has moved approximately 1 metre, but he's still using his mobile phone while he's driving. No, I've not met this guy before.
As I said to you, no contracts. Okay. Can you tell me the proclamation date when I accepted your terms of business? What is the proclamation date that I asked or agreed to your terms of business? Can you tell me? What is the proclamation date when I agreed to your terms of business, Constable? You need to answer my questions because you work for me. You're a public servant, sir. As I said to you, what law have I broken? I haven't broken any law. Everything you're saying is statute. No, that under what law? That's not a law, sir. That's not law. It's not a law, is it? It's statute. Statute law, sir. I do not consent to statute. That's an act and legislation. That is nothing to do with law.
Under arrest for taking without owner's consent, because you can't produce any documents.
Sorry?
You own this vehicle, so on suspicion of taking without owner's consent. You don't have to say anything that may harm defence. You don't mention when questioned something which later on in court. Anything you do say may be given evidence. Again,
no contract. No contract. No consent.
Name and address and ownership.
No contract. No consent. You need to get your inspector down here so I can speak with him.
If you wish to make a complaint, you can either ring 101 or go into the front office and then go make a complaint through that if you so require.
Right, I do not consent.
Yeah, you said a couple of times, we understand.
Okay, oh, do you understand then? Okay, well, I'm free to leave then, aren't I?
No, you're not free to leave. It's currently under arrest for 2 offences, okay, sir?
2 offences, really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, like I said, I don't contract with you. No contract, no consent.
Safe like repair, safe like replace.
That's criminal damage, so I do not consent. I do not consent. I said no contracts, and I do not consent. Is what I said.
Right, cool. Yeah, okay, I'm getting out.
You gonna get out? Brilliant.
Stay there.